In this video, I'll show you how to sound like Donald Duck using ElevenLabs. I actually searched it up on ElevenLabs. They did not even have Donald Duck. Don't worry, we'll make our own Donald Duck voice. I'll leave a link in the description to ElevenLabs as well. So all I did is I went to YouTube, found this Donald Duck recording. Look at this. That's what Donald Duck sounds like, right? You just download a recording at least 10 seconds, and then once you're logged into ElevenLabs, here you see voices, right? Click on the plus icon, click on instant voice call. You just need 10 seconds of audio minimum. So I'll go ahead and drag and drop the audio file right here. And once it's uploaded, make sure this is toggled on. Okay, remove background noise, go ahead and click on next. Then we just have to add some of voice information, things like the language. So here we go. I will come here, select the language as English. Okay, so come here, select it as English. You can add a description as well. Let me name the voice as Donald Duck. There we go. Go ahead and toggle this on. Click on Save Voice. Okay. And now it's done. You can easily go ahead and try out your new clone. So let's go ahead and generate a speech. And let's see how this does. Right, so this is what my Donald Duck sounds like right now.
Oh boy, you get quack.
Of course, you can use any text right here, but that's how Donald Duck usually speaks. He doesn't actually speak coherently. So what I did here, I lowered the speed a little bit because he doesn't tend to speak at a normal pace, right? Stability, I want you to reduce this because this voice with Donald Duck is not like a normal voice you're emulating, right? So make it more variable, right? And make the similarity high, make the style exaggeration 100%. You can do speaker boost, and this is what you will sound like. Of course, guys, the link is in the description. You can check it out and try it for yourself as well.